Hey, high flyers! This soaring Indian independence let you unleash your drone potential. India, a land of boundless dreams and soaring aspirations. Let's add another dimension to our progress this Independence Day. The sky's the limit with drone technology. The Drone Tech Seminar of 2024 is happening online next Sunday, August 18th, from 4 to 8 p.m. IST. This is the event for anyone who's passionate about the latest in emerging drone technology. So, what's on the agenda? We have academic experts and industry experts lined up to share their knowledge and insights. It's going to be mind-blowing, and it's not just about the tech. Whether you're into aerial photography, agriculture, delivery services, or just a hobbyist looking to up your game, there's something for everyone. Plus, there's a Q&A session. You'll have the chance to ask your burning questions and get answers from the pros. Curious about the future of drones and its regulations? This is your chance to get those answers. And the best part? It's all happening online, so you can tune in from the comfort of your own home. No need to travel, no need to worry about missing out. Sunday, August 18th, from 4 to 8 p.m. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Hit the link in the description to register now. See you there.